Hello friends, I am SELLA Kumar from Coimbatore. This is a project assignment for Skyfi Labs online course. The project is design of tall buildings. Let us start our project with E-tabs. Click to new model. Use built-in settings, metric SI units, steel section database Indian, steel design code IS 800 2007, concrete design code IS 456 2000, SOKI. This grid dimension dialog box. Here the number of grid lines in X direction in our project building plan is 8. Number of grid lines in Y direction, say 6. And spacing in X direction 4 meters and in Y direction 6 meters. The number of stories in my plan is 14. And the total story height 3 meter, bottom story height also 3 meter, custom story data. Edit story data, the story 14 is our master story and shows all other similar to story 4. But I make another master story, that is story 8. And below the story 8, all the stories are similar to story 8. Okay. Now using grid only structural object, click OK. The grid is formed as per our input. Using this grid, we can draw structural elements. Before that, we have to define material properties and section properties. First go to material property, add new material, the region India, material type first one concrete, standard Indian, grade I go for M40 concrete grade and click OK. Material name M40, material type concrete, click OK. Material M40 concrete is defined and add new material, that is rebar. Here I want to use grade HYSD grade 500. Click OK. Click. Again add new material, same rebar, HY, instead of HYSD grade 500, mild steel 250 for confinement reinforcement. Okay, so mild steel rebar. Click OK and add new material, masonry. Click OK. All the materials are defined: M40, HYSD 500, mild grade 250 and masonry. This will be okay for our project. And next one, define section properties, in which frame sections, first one beam, add new property, concrete rectangular section, say beam 500 by 300, material M40, depth is 500, width is 300, so rebar is M3 design only beam. Longitudinal bars HYSD 500, confinement bars mild 250 and cover 25 mm. And it's okay. Click again OK in the parental dialog box, and I want to add copy of property. This beam of size 550 by 350, same M40 concrete, where depth is 550 and here width is 350, rebar, same case, hence click OK. Then next, again I want to add a copy of property for beam. This beam 600 by 400, M40 here 600, width is 300, rebar same case. Now we define three section properties, and now I go to special property, that is auto select list. Here the property name beam auto select, section concrete. Here all three beams, select all three beams, add to auto select list, and click on OK. add new property to auto select, beam auto select concrete, select all three beams, add in the auto select list, click OK. And now add new property for column sections, rectangular, emitters, column 500 by 300, M40 concrete, depth is 500, width is 300, so rebar into M3 design column, HYSD 500, mile 250, cover 40 mm, click OK. Again add copy of property for another column section. By 50 by 3, 350 for rebar, everything is good. And one more property, column 600 by 400, 140 concrete, for rebar, OK. Now add new property for auto select option, column auto select, section concrete, select all these three to add the auto select list and click OK. Now the frame sections are defined, click OK. Go to define section property for slab section, add new property, say slab 150, material M40 and the thickness 150 mm. Click OK. The slab is defined, click OK. Go to define section, the section properties, that is wall sections. Add new property, that's shear wall. Since it is tall building, I am introducing a shear wall. Material is M40, thickness is 300 mm. Shear wall is introduced, and add a new property for brick wall. This is brick wall. This material, wall material is masonry. Thickness is 230 mm. Now shear wall and a brick wall for outer frame is defined. click on book. The section properties are defined. Let us go to draw elements one by one. For that, go to all story option. First, you can draw shear wall. So, draw floor wall objects, draw walls. Here, change the property, that is shear wall. Go to select the shear wall portion. It is located at center. This is our shear wall. Now we can draw the columns. To draw the columns, go to the ground floor, the plan view. Here, select similar stories. Go to draw column. Select quick draw column. Change the property. We have introduced column auto select. கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிடுப்பா. Auto select. Select the grid points to locate the column. Columns up to 8th floor drawn. Now go to draw beam elements. Select quick draw beam option. Change the property. Beam auto select. All the pins are selected and drawn. Next, go to draw slabs. Draw floor wall objects. Quick draw floor. Here, change the property as slab 150. select all the all the slabs are drawn. And now let us go to draw wall on outer plane. Draw floor wall object. Here select quick draw wall. Change the property, make brick wall. Select the outer frame for construction of brick wall. Brick walls are drawn on the outer frame. Now go to draw the elements in the upper 6 similar floors. This is our story 9. Here our plan is reduced, omitting one outer grid. Draw columns using quick draw column option. Property auto select. That's all. All the columns are drawn in the 9th floor. So to draw beams, select quick draw beam option. Properties beam auto select. All the beams are drawn. Now go to draw slab. Select quick draw floor. Property is slab 150. Select slabs. Slabs are selected. Now go to draw footer wall. Let wall quick draw wall property masonry wall, brick wall. Select the outer frame. Sir, கொஞ்ச நேரம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Now the outer wall is drawn. Now all the elements are drawn both in the both similar stories. Next part of design is go to assign joint condition at the base. So move the plan to base. Now at story 9, this is our base story. Switch to one story option. Now select the grid points. To assign joint restraints here. Click OK, click apply, click OK. Before that we have to select object. Now we have to select now 48 joints are selected. Now we can go to assign joint. Restraints, click OK. Now all the joints at the base are restrained. Our next part is applying loads. Now move the plan to the first story. Keep all story option. First I am going to assign dead load. Select cells one by one. All the cells are selected and Go to assign cell load. Here uniform dead load. The uniform load apply 2 kilonewton per meter square. Click on go. For assigning live load, again select all cells. All the cells are selected. Go to assign cell load uniform. Here the case is live and I am applying 5 kilonewton per square meter. Click on apply. It is so. The live load is applied and outer wall load is to be applied. Select the outer frame. All the outer frames are selected. Now go to assign frame load. Distributed. Here dead load. Here the uniform load 1 kilonewton including cladding load. Apply. Click on it. Now move the plan view to the upper similar story. This is to story 9. This is our 9th story plan. Select cells for applying dead load. Go to assign cell load uniform. Here dead load same 2 kilonewton applied. So again select the cells for applying live load. Go to assign cell load, uniform, live load. In this storage I am applying only 4 kilonewton per square meter. Click on it. Dead load applied and live load applied. Then our outer frame load, wall load. Select all the outer frames. Outer frame selected. Go to assign frame load, distributed, same 1 kilonewton, apply. Okay. The next one, the application of frame load is not applicable for top load. So move the plan view to story 14. Here go to one story option, select all the frames, go to assign frame load, distributed. Here delete existing load, apply. Now all the loads in the 14th floor, all the wall loads are removed. Now the application of wind load. For applying wind load, draw cladding. Go to switch to all stories option. Go to the base and first floor. First draw cladding using auto draw cladding option. floors. Now the cladding is drawn. Then define wind load. Define load pattern. Here change wind. Type wind. Here Indian IS 875 1987 add new load. Now modify the lateral load. Here the wind speed is 33 meter per second and the terrain category of our project is 3. Structure class say C and risk coefficient 1, topography factor 1 and click OK. Click here also. Now go to elevation view. Here click apply. This is our windward side. Select all the panels. Go to assign, shell loads, wind pressure coefficient. As per IS 875, the coefficient is 0.8 positive. Apply. OK. And again go to elevation. For upper similar stories, select B and apply. Here select all the panels. So assign shell load, wind pressure coefficient, same case, windward side, apply. One phase is over, then go to next phase. The next adjacent phase is 1. Apply. Select all the frames. Assign shell loads wind pressure coefficient. This is also windward phase, so apply. OK. This phase for upper floors, select phase 2. apply. Select all the cells. Assign pressure coefficient. Apply. OK. Now the windward side, two faces over. Now go to wind leeward side. The wind leeward side face H and G. Apply. Select cells. Sign shallow in pressure coefficient. In here, since it is wind leeward side, as per IS 875, minus 0.2 is applicable. So apply. Now go to elevation G. Apply. Select. Assign. Same case. Again go to the second phase of leeward side, that is 6. Select the cells. Sign shallow wind pressure coefficient. Same. And section 5. Apply. Assign. Shallows wind pressure coefficient. Apply. OK. Now go to plan view. Select story 1. Apply. Now wind posts in the all four sides are applied. During this, we have applied all the posters. Our next part of design is analysis. Now go to analyze, run analysis, save the file as design in project assignment. The analyze process is going on. The analysis is over. Here we can see four stress diagrams. Apply. This is our shear force diagram. The same manner. You can see the moment. This is our bending moment diagram. Now go to display. The analysis over. The next part, design. Choose concrete frame design. Here the design code IS 456-2000 and all other values are OK. Click on OK. Again go to design, concrete frame design, start design and check. Now the design process is going on. Analysis and design sections differs for 1300 concrete frames. Software asking us you want to reiterate analysis and design. Yes. Software Again, analyze and design the project. Now the redesigning process is going on. Now the design is over. All the reinforcement details are displayed. You can check at any point. You can check, verify all members first. All concrete frames first. The design check is okay. Hence, our design is so. Now we can create a report, generate report. Double click on project report. The project report is generated. As 336 pages. And we can see also the summary report. Twenty-five pages. With this, I want to finish our discussion. Thank you.